In one of my videos, I said something very simple. I said, if you use this sound in your video, I'll comment on your video and subscribe to your channel. I didn't expect much. I thought maybe 5 people would use it, maybe 10 if I was lucky. But no, more than 100 people used that sound. At first I was shocked, then I was happy. And here's the part most people wouldn't expect. I didn't lie. I actually went to their videos. I actually commented. And yes, I actually subscribed to their channels. Every single one. And now, let me be very clear about one thing. I'm doing it again. Yes, same deal, same promise. If you use this sound in your video, I will come to your channel. I will comment on your video, and I will subscribe. Will it take effort? Yes. Will it take patience? Definitely. But I'm okay with that, because I'd rather spend time supporting real creators than chasing fake numbers. And let me say this too. I don't care if your video is perfect. I don't care if you have 1 subscriber or 1,000. If you actually made a video, if you actually used the sound, you deserve it.